Hi everybody, thank you for watching my previous videos. Today, as I promised you, I'm bringing you the screenwriting software every screenwriter should use at one stage or another of their writing. If you didn't watch my previous episodes of screenwriting definition and the difference between screenplay and script, kindly go back and watch them, especially the beginner writers. As we proceed, everyone should know that when you're writing a script, there is a special software you should be using, okay, to be professional. So today we are diving into the screenwriting software that will ease your screenwriting, that will make screenwriting soft and smooth for you. This software comes in different forms, as I'll elaborate in this episode. Rather than having to plot out all the specific things, formatting that you need, you can use this software and it will help you put everything where it's needed in its rightful place without you stressing. Moreover, the screenwriting software isn't like other types of screenwriting software in a way that it just gives you a blank page with a number of tools. And these tools are specific. As you write, the writing falls into its specific category. There's a category of character, dialogue, action lines, lag lines, parentheticals. We shall also know about these terms in the next episode. So you can just adjust this as you write. When you write, you click on the category and what you write goes directly in that category. But most screenwriting software is very intuitive when it comes to putting what you write automatically into the right category and format. So it's more restrictive in one sense, but more freeing in another. Okay, it's going to allow you not to have to think about any technical elements of writing. Yeah, because it will be putting everything in place for you. So without wasting time, let's look at the different screenwriting software out there. What you should know is that there is the paid software and there is a free software. So it's your choice on which software to use. Okay, but let's start with the free one. Arc Studio. Arc Studio is one of the best and newest professional screenwriting tools that we have in the industry. Okay, this Arc Studio provides a beautiful screenwriting software with powerful features. Arc Studio also has you covered with a screenplay outlining tool, so you can break down your plot and characters. Yeah, so if you're looking out for some free screenwriting software to use, there is Arc Studio. The second one is Trelby. This Trelby places its emphasis on simplicity for users. That's one of the pros of Trelby. It's highly adaptable and constantly shifting. So this, combined with being free of charge, it makes your screenwriting journey exciting and enticing. Okay, so you can check out Trelby. It's one of the options you can use as a free software. Another free software out there on the market is Highland. Highland, despite only being available for Mac users, is designed to make navigating through a script a simple task, as if you're seeing it from the island, like its name. Okay, so Highland is also another option you can use, and it suits writers who like to focus on characters. Highland is a great option for you. It's a very, very, very great and a strong option for Mac users wanting free screenwriting software. Okay, let's dive deep. Another free software you can use out there is WriterDuet. WriterDuet, like its musical name, it's all about collaboration. There is both online and offline version, so you can access it both online and offline. Okay, this screenwriting software will back up content locally when offline and then auto sync that content when the user is back online, so you don't have to be worried about not having internet. WriterDuet is a good option for you. So this WriterDuet also has an option of collaborating in real time. You can write with your other writer in real time. You write at the same time. Okay, you can make multiple edits as you write in the same time. It has a free and a paid version. It also has a sister software named Writer Solo, which I'm using currently. Writer Solo is a free version of WriterDuet. Yeah, so if you're not enjoying the collaborative process, then Writer Solo is here for you. Another free software we have is Casualty. Casualty rests on 3 separate components: the screen, the story logic, and the timeline. So by mapping and visualizing these, Casualty has carved its own niche in screenwriting software market. So if you're checking out for some free software, Casualty may benefit you, okay, if you would like to visualize as you write. So now let's see the best paid screenwriting software. Number 1 is Final Draft. Final Draft, also known as the standard for industry professionals, is the king of the screenwriting software, with others scrambling to compete and live up. It's the screenwriting software that most professionals within the industries use, okay? When you ask the most professionals everywhere, Hollywood, everywhere, they use Final Draft because they consider it as the industry standard that is accepted everywhere. So, but remember, just because it's Final Draft, it doesn't mean it's your final draft. However much it's the king, I don't advise new writers to go for it because of its hefty price. There are plenty of princes out there that can still help you script done. So, Final Draft is a paid version of software, but it's the most considered professional industry standard software, okay? Then we have Celtx. Celtx takes you beyond the act of writing. I've used Celtx before, and I can confess it's a good writing software. It also has a mobile version which is free, yeah, but it will limit you somehow than the paid version, okay? So if you're a writer who wants to keep an eye on the budget, Celtx has features to help you structure and plan this. It also places emphasis on collaboration, so you can collaborate in real time, okay? So you never have to be away from your script. You can access it anywhere using Celtx. Then we have Movie Magic Screenwriter. This is another paid version of software that lets users format writing into a variety of forms, from movies to television to comic books to novels. It's your choice. So if you want to dip into prose and write both screenplays and novels, this could be a good software for you. Yeah. Then another one is Fade-In. Fade-In is also another paid version of screenwriting. It has several key strengths as a good screenwriting software. Okay, so you can also check it out. It has a lot of good features. Then we have Slagline. It's great for screenwriters on the move. Yeah, it has a dark mode which dims the screen if you are up late writing. So Slagline, if you are a late night writer, check out Slagline, but it's a paid version. We have Scrivener. Scrivener, popular with novelists, but it also has a screenwriting mode. So if you're a writer who likes to divert from linear plots, this tool could be a crucial aid for you. Then we have Script Studio. Recently it was called Movie Outline. Yeah, so Script Studio is also a good screenwriting software out there. It also has a night mode for night owls and also a full screen mode. So what I can say, screenwriting software is a world of choice. It can be somewhat overwhelming to pick which software should I use, because I've given you a lot and there are still a lot that I've not talked about. But the good thing about the range of screenwriting software there is that each one can provide different things. It's all about finding what works best for you in terms of finding the right screenwriting software. And in addition, you don't necessarily have to limit yourself to one screenwriting software. Okay, you might use Final Draft for writing your script concretely, and then another screenwriting software for sketching ideas. Ultimately, it's about finding what suits you. Okay, however, even if you've seen and the version ones and the free ones, there is no need to limit yourself to one tool. Feel free to navigate all of them and find out which one. So those are some of the screenwriting software. You can share in comments which one you've used or which one I might have left out. I'll be grateful to learn from you. As always, thank you for taking your time to this end. Kindly subscribe to my channel for more screenwriting lessons. We shall discuss the different terms used in screenwriting that every screenwriter must know in the next episode. This is Learn with Aisha. See you next time. Bye.